Hi actors, creators and performers, it's great you stopped by. Once again, this is Lorenzo from the Coach MC Studio, the studio that helps you to shape unique behavior deliveries and getting recognized in the audition room. And today, we're close to San Diego, still exploring, and we stopped by this magnificent place in Vista, California. It's actually close to the beach, wonderful place, called the Film Hub. It's a co-working space for content creators of all sorts and kinds, producers, actors, podcast content creators, self-tapers, voice-over makers, whoever wants to create something in a unique environment in this incredible studio facility that was made with so much love, generosity, and so much care of every little tiny detail is welcome. This place was created by Jim Ellis and his daughter Lauren Fehlhaber, and we're gonna sit down with them in a couple of minutes and they will explain to us how this thing was born and how they came up with this idea, what they really want from the people that come in here, because the sense of the purpose of this place is really community and creating a strong community of great creative people, and that's pretty much the mission of the Coach MC. So we thought we have to take a look, and I can't wait to get the studio tour. So stick with us and let's see what's cooking.
We want a place where we can produce good quality entertainment that will lift people up to their most worthy endeavor. We want to bring people up to where they could just be their best, right? And it takes encouragement. It takes a lot of collaboration at times and support, and to do projects like this.
Usually when people create facilities like that, they're all cool and cutting edge and totally modern, but really, and that's why we're getting a studio tour, because this place really is kind of unique. The composition, the colors, the architecture, the refinement, the details, like you can clearly see that it has been, some love involved in this project, not only to create, but really, like, seriously.
It is a big deal because the world can be very divisive. If you watch the news, they're always trying to divide people. And this place is a place where people are coming together, no matter what your race or creed or anything is. And it's already happening that way. And we've got people from all over the world in here and all different skin colors. And we don't even see that. We work together and we're developing content that's going to change people's lives and change them forever. And that's the goal.
I think, on the design aspect, our background was set design and fabrication, and we worked with a guy from Paramount Pictures who designed set for 20 years, and coming up with the ideas of different shooting locations in every corner that you see. And that kind of started the inspiration of every corner. You see different details and different backgrounds and the beauty of different spaces. And I think allotting those, making every room so unique and put so much love into the care of the background you're going to see on camera is why it came to be such a unique design. Co-working, you're part of a community to inspire each other to do your best work, and really I think that's why co-working has gone so big, is it's not just you working towards your goals anymore, it's this group of like-minded people in the same building that are encouraging each other. And that's what we tried to have come across in the building design too, is an inspirational place that people can walk in every day and be excited to come to work and be like, wow, I get to work here.
Come on,
let's see it.
But when you become a member here, you not only get access to conference rooms and the co-working spaces, but also sound stage, podcast room, audio recording booth, Foley stage, which we don't even have in this area, and a lot of different opportunities for editing suites as well. The conference rooms we made. Here I wanted the contrast of that warm color with the wood, and I thought that green really balanced off the colors of the stain that we used. And to go with the bronze ceiling. The bronze ceiling to pull in all those colors. I wanted that warmth. This is our co-working space, and this is also space for events as well. So this is our open workspace. We even designed the kitchen to be film friendly, so you can do a cooking show. We've got the lighting grid up here. You rig up your lights. We're even designing panels that we can magneticize and change the kitchen look. So you can change out your backsplash by just putting magnetic. This we designed to be an exterior of a building. So you can pop on different window facades. We'll have LED lights. We're gonna still develop a lot of props for this. You can make it look like New Orleans, New York City. We have the solar tubes, which bring in the natural light, and that'll help for camera as well. And these are controllable, so it gathers all the light through the solar system on the top and floods it down, so it stays pretty even throughout the day. It's not like a regular skylight too. So we'll go upstairs. We have 20 small offices here, and they range from a single-person office to team offices of about 5 to 6 people in them. What makes our offices a little unique from other co-working space in our area is all of our offices are designed with their own quiet AC. So if you are doing any recording in your office space with audio, and then you can control your own temperature. It's nice and quiet, and then you can control your own lights in the space as well.
This is the boss executive room, right? This is the suite for the Sicilian.
So we'll have recording lights specifying when spaces are being occupied and recording, so that you know not to enter those spaces. We'll have the alarm system as well.
We know where you're at.
This is our control room, and this control room operates both stages. So you have your podcast audio recording booth in here, and that'll be all decked out with everything that you need to be able to broadcast and to do your podcast from there. Here we did a actually raised platform with an LED light. The reason why we did that is a lot of times we have to build stages for talk shows, and that gets very expensive. So to save people money, we put in an actual platform here. You can do your talk show. We just pop in the backgrounds and the backdrops for them, and then they have that and they save some funds in that way.
It was a great pleasure sharing this new video for you guys. Welcome everybody to this Film Hub production co-working space that is really magnificent. If you happen to live close to VIsta in Southern California, or you're looking for something quite different than the usual production spaces, by all means, stop by here, get a membership, ask for Jim, ask for Lauren, and indulge yourself with this great environment and plunge into creative work and join the community. So if you're here for the first time, by the way, consider subscribing and share this video to your community, because what we're trying to do here is to create a strong community of great actors for ever better performances, truly remarkable performances. So smash that bell button also to join the notification squad, and if you like this video, make sure to let us know with a thumbs up. See you next time, guys. Thank you so much again, and do love act. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I know.